a fucking Roomba.
Yo, what up, Roomba?
I'm on the Roomba. Let's go. We're gonna have Roomba races.
No, you should be able to clone it now.
Please have my children.
Fuck yeah. Okay, so how did you do that? Like, you're just fucking walking?
Oh yeah.
I love how it's NPC too.
I know. Oh, you don't know how hype I was when I got this name. I did this.
So perfect. Oh my God,
I vote we all go into one world and we all just do that over mic and then just like fuck around. But it's got to be somewhere like super popular.
This is so fucking stupid.
You should put your face in my.
No, wait, what's this? Dude, what's this? There's a Roomba.
There, right in there.
Guys.
He's muted.
Oh, we're going upstairs.
Oh, here we go. Adventure.
Man, this is gonna be the fucking cleanest floor ever.
Right? Look, we collided and we fucking both turned and moved like Roombas would. Oh shit, here we go. I've never spent this much time pretending to be a fucking vacuum cleaner. Welcome to VRChat.
Hey, FireInferno was the dumbest thing you've ever done in your life.
Yeah.
Did someone get a Roomba?
Not Roomba.
I'm on a Roomba!
This is.
I'm on a Roomba!
I just messed up. Okay, you're free to go.
Dizzy's me.
We should get that avatar. Where did you make it? Oh my gosh, the Roomba.
Oh, yo, sparkling now. What the hell?
Yo, Sky, check out this guy's avatar.
They can't clone us, so it's hilarious.
He's got cloning turned off.
This guy is fucking hounding me on how I got this avatar. This is a saved one I'm never getting rid of, let me tell you that.
This avatar?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're gonna save it. Favorite. Assuming it doesn't get banned.
It's a fucking Roomba, why would it get banned? Uh-oh, two Roombas are gonna collide. Boop.
Uh-oh. I just want everybody to get on the Roombas.
Oh, they've been riding you around a lot.
Oh, probably. Don't worry, I'm from Skynet. I've been sent to help kill dust.
Kill all humans.
Can't stop. Program to keep going. What kind of hell I live in?
My life is pain.
This ride is way too fast.
Buckle up, Buttercup.
Have fun cleaning all that shit up.
It's our job, we got it, no worries. Don't you fucking tell a Roomba what to do.
Fuck you, Roomba.
Fuck you.
I'd be one of those.
I'm gonna move at a moderate pace across the room.
There's nothing you can do about it. Who let the
pillow, asshole?
Who put the fucking Roomba on the table?
Don't fall off the fucking cliff, Roomba.
Somebody took my fucking pillow.
What hell is this?
You're in the dining room, Roomba. You're in the dining room.
Which one of you sick
Roomba's
fucks put me on
Roombas.
the table?
I think it's the one sitting on you.
Off the table. Brother. Bruh.
Help.
Oh no.
Help.
Now we table.
This is fucking
We're all
great.
on the fucking table.
Can I clean the table?
No!
The table is 84% clean. Yo, ramp, guys. Let's go. Get the fuck out of here.
Oh no!
Oh shit, a ramp.
Oh, Can I become one of those? Can you put your thing
Oh,
on-
I see you have a gun.
No!
I have a gun. I'm gonna create one.
Only if you swear to the Roomba oath.
Straight
You
up
gonna say something?
fucking
You're just gonna
cool.
fucking creeper and try to touch me.
Unfortunately, I'm a Roomba, and you may shoot me all you please,
gonna
but
try
I
and
must
touch it.
continue cleaning.
Inject
Please do
your
not
eggs with
shoot the
Roomba
Roomba.
We're definitely not from Skynet. I mean, boop boop.
I don't know what a Skynet is. Boop boop.
Must eat.
Everybody find the Fortnite player, vote to kick. I can't believe how slowly we've just been going back and forth in this fucking room.
Should we kick it into overdrive?
Yes.
All Roombas, overdrive.
Overdrive, go.
Everywhere. You're leaving dust everywhere, Roomba. You're not cleaning anything. Roomba.
Activated turbo clean. Turbo clean. I'm sitting here pretending to be a Roomba with 2 other people that I just picked up like 10 minutes ago.
Listen, your fucking life ain't better than ours, let me tell you that.
I'm very curious. How many people are watching me be a Roomba?
How many people are watching?
Too many.
Too many.
Brothers.
Christ.
Brothers help.
Hey, you know, that's the thing with today's youth. They'll watch literally
The
anything.
thing with today's youth.
Oh my god, I'm wasting my life!
Hey, whoever is hacking the fucking federal database in a wind tunnel, please stop. It's fucking terrible. And I'm a Roomba. Listen, all I hear is vacuum.